please open RStudio. All participants, please open RStudio and type done within chat. All participants, please open RStudio and type done within chat. In our previous class, we have learned about PCA, about ANOVA results. Today we will perform a non-parametric test, factor and cluster analysis, and discriminant analysis, and multi-dimensional scaling MDS analysis. So our today topics are copy and here. I have sent the content of today class in group. No, today is your task day. I will give you tasks and you will perform these tasks. Here are some questions. First questions. You need to find what is non-parametric test. This is our first question. Why we will perform non-parametric test. Types of non-parametric test. Which type of data required for non-parametric test. And similarly, you need to perform these analysis. For example, principal component analysis. What is principal component analysis? What is factor analysis? First, I will guide you or want to show you one analysis. Then I will give you time. You will perform these analysis in remaining time. So here is the MDS analysis. For example, MDS, copy MDS, open ChatGPT. For example, your supervisor say, please perform MDS analysis on your data set. So first you need to ask few questions. What is, sorry, here is multidimensional scaling. Please explain in very simple way. So this is the first question. What is MDS? Multidimensional scaling, MDS, is a method used to visualize the similarities or difference between data points in the same simpler 2D or 3D space. It means you can find similarity and dissimilarity in your dataset. Imagine you have a list of cities and the distance between them. MDS take those distance and tries to place each cities on the map so that the distance between them on the map are as close as possible to the real distance. In dataset, instead of cities, distance you use objects like individuals, genes, or measurements, and their similarities or dissimilarities. MDS then show these objects in a way that help you see clusters, patterns, making it easier to understand relationship between them. To summarize, MDS simplify complex data into a visual map so you can see how simpler or different the object are from each others. So it's simple, it show you the similarity and dissimilarity between our in our data set. So next question, is there any sample data for MDS? Yes, there are several built-in dataset in R that you can use for multi-dimensional scaling. One commonly used example is Eurodist dataset, which contain distance between Europe cities. So here is the dataset and code for MDS. Copy. If you have this type of dataset, you can perform MDS on your dataset. I am removing this. First is check Euro dataset. Here is the Euro dataset. Cities with distance like this data. So here is the map of MDS map of your dataset based on their cities and their distance. If you have your own dataset, take STR of your dataset and provide ChatGPT. Please write script for MDS. ChatGPT will give you script for MDS. Okay. Now your time is start. Please perform all these steps. Here are two tasks. You need to find non-parametric test. What is Wilson test and type of dataset required for this. So please all participants know you have 45 minutes for these two tasks. I am here and live. If you found any error, you can discuss or you can share your screen. I have already shared in group. Here are the tasks, so please start it. And now I am waiting for your reply. If you face any difficulty, you can share your screen. Okay, please type ready if you are ready. Please type ready. All participants type ready and start. I am writing here your task. You have 45 minutes and need to perform above given day 10 and 11 tasks. Okay, please start. Dr. Abdul Rashid, please share your screen. Your screen is not sharing yet. Abdul Rashid, please share your screen again. Okay, are you hearing me? Abdul Rashid, are you hearing me? Okay. Here are some issues, errors. First, you need to remove uh, your task from line number 70 to line number 33 or 32, because these are creating issues. Or you may give hashtag, otherwise you need to remove. So please remove line number 70 to 17 to 32. Please delete line number 70 to 32. Are you hearing me, sir? Hello. Please let me know. Are you hearing me? Uh, Dr. Abdul Rashid, please confirm. Are you hearing me? Because you are not following instructions. Okay. So please delete line number 70, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 to 32. Delete these lines. After selection, press delete button on your keyboard. Abdul Rashid, please delete these lines or open your mic. Please clear these lines or select all and delete all. Select all, Control A and delete. Please select all and delete. Your screen should be clear or white screen. Select all and delete. Press Control A and delete all. I think you are not hearing me, but it's showing me some text on line number 1 to line number 19. Please all participants confirm. Its screen is empty or showing some text. No, no, it's okay. I think your screen sharing is late. Okay. No, please. Your first task is non-parametric test. Give hashtag. I think there is an issue on your side because your working is not showing me. So if anyone other participant want to share, Mitchell, can you share your screen? I think there is an issue with Abdul Rashid. Screen is very slow and not showing proper results, and again not showing me. Okay. Please, Abdul Rashid, close. And Mitchell, Amy, please share your screen. Mitchell, Amy, please share your screen. I think there is an issue. Your screen is not shown to me. Okay. No, it's okay. No, it is sharing. Okay. So your first question is non-parametric test. Open ChatGPT. Your screen is also very slow. Please open ChatGPT. Hello. Okay, maybe let me share my screen and check no it's okay or is again issue. No, please let me know. Are you seeing my screen? Please reply immediately. Please confirm. Yes, okay. No, today our task is non-parametric test. Copy this task. Copy. Open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Paste here. Non-parametric test. And question mark. And send message. It will show you non-parametric test, also known as distribution-free test or statistical tests that do not assume a specific distribution for the data. They are useful when you cannot assume the data are normally distributed, which is a common assumption for many parametric tests like t-test, ANOVA. Non-parametric tests are especially useful with ordinal data. Some sample size or sample data size or when the data are not measured on an interval scale. So these type of tests you can perform. If you want to see the data set for non-parametric test, so type a line. Thanks. Uh, I want to check the data set for this non-parametric test. It will give you a dummy data set or table. He give me the characteristics of your data set for non-parametric test. I recommend please give table of sample data. So here is the sample data set. For example, you one is have ID. For example, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 group. Here are the two groups. Group ID number A, group number 1 have score 2. ID number 2, score number 3, 3, 2. So this data set is, if you have this type of data set, you can use it for non-parametric test. So no, write a line. I want to perform Man-Whitney U test. Copy, paste here, and write a line. I want to perform test in R. Is there any built-in dataset in R for this? Question mark and set. Yes, R includes several built-in datasets that could be suitable for demonstrating the Mann-Whitney U-test. One common dataset is plant growth, which contain data on the weight of the group of plants subject to different treatment types. This dataset is appropriate for Mann-Whitney U-test if you want to compare two of the three groups. So here is the sample dataset, and here is the code, and write a line. Please also draw its plot and give all codes in single script. Here is a complete script, all codes in single script, and is also the code or script for plot. So copy this code, open R. Because we have some data without hashtag, so this data will create a problem for you. Better to remove this data before running any code. So here is the plant growth data, group 1, group 2, test for, here is the result of this test. These are the result of this test. P value is equal to 0.19. It means the results are non-significant. Here is the plot, box plot weight by group, and density plot of weight. Here is the plot for this test. No clear? No, please do practice and draw this plot. If you found any confusion again, you can discuss. Yes, please let me know. No, I am sending the ChatGPT guidelines to you. You need to ask ChatGPT, I want to perform Man Whitney U test, I want to perform Wilson signed rank test. Is there any built-in data set for this? ChatGPT will provide you built-in data set or as well as its code. You can, if you have your own data set, provide str of your data set and arrange your data set according to this sample data and ask ChatGPT, I want to perform chi-square test, I want to perform Sperman rank correlation coefficient, Fredman test, etc. I have shared the detailed message in group. No, please do practice again. And Abdul Rashid, please confirm me. No, you can do easily. Dr. Abdul Rashid, please confirm. No, you can do it easily. Or is there any difficulty again? Please confirm me.